Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? I hope your day's going great. So today we're making a video. I'm talking about trading Bitcoin to Tether and how you can gain more Bitcoin this way. So if you're trading cryptocurrencies, your main goal should be to accumulate one of the main coins. So either Ethereum or Bitcoin. That's what most are paired with. I would say generally we try and shoot for more Bitcoin, right? Kind of the idea behind that is we all think that long term Bitcoin is going to keep going up. Therefore, if we can accumulate a lot of it and trade it to our advantage right now to get more Bitcoin, then the US dollar will be worth more in the long run and we'll have more of it, which will equal more dollars. So that's kind of the quick way on why we are trading for more Bitcoin. First off, I just want to go ahead and say join the Discord, which is linked below after you watch this video, and subscribe to my channel and like the video. Leave a comment, say what's up to me in the Discord. It's just a chat where all of us come together, talk about our different trading strategies, and we make money. So one of the different ways of making more Bitcoin is by trading it to altcoins. So if you're trading through Coinbase or GDAX, you trade it to US dollars, right? So you're trading Bitcoin to US dollars and you're going back and forth, probably trying to get more dollars. If you're trading through Binance or something where there's altcoins, they'll have something that they call stablecoin, which would be Tether. It's called USDT. So as you can see here, Tether. And what it's designed to do is just kind of stay around the $1 mark. It's supposed to be equivalent. There's a lot of random FUD about Tether and all of that, and like it crashing and stuff. But for right now, it is a true. It's pretty accurate, and it's a safe play if you're going in and out, especially if you're trying to get more Bitcoin. So if you've ever traded to the US dollar, you're trading for more dollars on GDAX or whatever. Well, we're basically doing the opposite when we're trading to Tether. So the ideal time to be doing this is really if you're scared that Bitcoin's going to go up a lot and you don't know how to play the altcoin relationship with Bitcoin, or you think that the altcoin relationship with Bitcoin is dead or something, you can always just focus on Bitcoin prices to Tether. So, for instance, just using my charting, you can see like if I let's see. So say I bought on this EMA cross, which is what this little indicator is, this B. Say I bought right here. So I entered Bitcoin. So I had a Tether value and I entered Bitcoin at $8,800, right? 8,800 Tether. Then I would want to sell my Bitcoin. If I was using my current indicator, I would have sold it probably right here on this first sell line at 9,000. That ended up not being the best play. I would have probably tried to buy back in off of this bounce off the moving average at 9,000. So I would have lost a little bit of money there. But basically, you would sell back to Tether when you think that it's going to fall. So if I bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, and then bought down here, I would have, let's see how much. So you're basically playing it both ways, right? So this is a 5% drop. So by selling my Bitcoin to Tether down here and buying Bitcoin with the Tether that I sold up here, I'm gaining an extra 5% Bitcoin. So that would be the ideal time to use this strategy, is if you think Bitcoin is going to be falling, you sell when you think it's going to be falling, so sell off of one of these red bands potentially, and then you buy when you think that Bitcoin is going to be rising. And what this is allowing is, similar to the US dollar side where you'd be selling Bitcoin at a high and buying back in at a low, that way you can get more Bitcoin to get more dollars. It's the same idea. It's just you're using Tether in order to get more Bitcoin. So this would have netted us an additional 5% in extra Bitcoin, which we can then ride up and buy back again, and this, I guess, would probably be about 2.5%. So we would have netted 5% here, rode it up, sold, bought down here, got an extra 2%, and done that a couple times. So this allows you to day trade just Bitcoin without having to use any traditional alts, which Tether is an alt, but not having to use like Substratum or Icon or something like that. The strategy is really helpful when you are um, wanting to stay out of like the smaller alts and really trade volume-based coins. You can see that the volume is pretty significant all through here. And if you're trying to really just understand Bitcoin, it's a great approach. So I hope that you found this helpful and interesting. Let me know in the comments, subscribe, like the video, and come join the Discord. Let's all make money together. Right now, I use this strategy pretty much exclusively January through March, just as Bitcoin was kind of falling a lot. So I'd sell back in Tether, buy back the drop, sell the bounce, go down. So it was just kind of going like that, right? So I was using this a lot to get a lot more Bitcoin. Right now, I'm trading altcoins predominantly, altcoins to Bitcoin. So the main goal is to get as much Bitcoin as I can. But this is just another strategy of doing it. It really comes down to personal preference on what you're feeling comfortable with and what the day is looking like. So I hope you found this video helpful. Come say what's up to me, and adios.